When you first attempt to extend pull beyond your organization, some suppliers may be leery of reducing inventory down until they improve changeovers, reduce waste, and become lean. In the beginning, buffers can help them to manage the just-in-time approach. This will become a very important issue for them to manage as they make the transition into the world of pull. Buffers can be seen in many different ways. They are distribution centers that bring delivery closer to customers, or supermarkets that we talked about in earlier modules of our pull system study. Whatever your interpretation of buffers is, your suppliers will require buffers until they can successfully implement pull. This will help them reduce inventory as well as place it closer to their customer locations. Suppliers should think of these buffers as supermarkets that contain their customers' supplies in a kit. When a Kanban is received, the groceries are pulled and distributed to the customer, and the supermarket is replenished. Keep in mind that the rules of Kanban still apply here too. Suppliers and customers should work together to establish consensus on a system that works for both parties. Now, before we go, let's stretch our minds a little before we move on. This brainstorming question you can answer in the upcoming assignment section or the comments of the community. What ways can you think of to start aligning and synchronizing your supply chain with a pull production system? We look forward to hearing your answers, and we will see you in the next module.